We're a company that likes to go in and help other companies. Someone who's just starting out doing something, we like doing prototypes with them. We do all kinds of machining for materials. The biggest question is, what can we cut?
Swiss machining.
And turning.
And milling. Let's not forget wire EDM.
And laser marking. All these services are for you at Rathburn.
Rathburn has so many capabilities that they are your total machining destination.
We're a precision machining company located in Auburn, Indiana. We have Swiss capabilities, milling, turning, wire EDM, and we also have laser etching capabilities.
Swiss machining is usually a one-off. You bar feed it and it can turn, mill, thread, do holes, flip it around and do stuff on the back side of it, drop it off. It's a one-off thing, so you don't have to transfer the part. It holds your tolerances better. So we can do real short little bitty parts, or we can do very long parts and hold that diameter all the way down that part, and it gives us a better looking part and better quality.
Secondaries, we have partners that we do secondaries with.
This is a part that goes to rail. It's called an end plug. We run this off of a screw machine, and then we send it out for black oxiding. We make about 5,000 to 8,000 pieces of these a year.
Laser marking? Yeah, we do that.
This is an example of what we can do in-house. This is one of the samples that we did for our 40th anniversary. It's made out of solid brass. We put this on our Swiss, rolled the outside of it, and then we laser etched it.
This would have been a milling process. This is an extrusion. We would have cut it to length, and then we would have milled the slots here and here. On something like this, I would probably
Plus minus 2.
Yeah, plus or minus 2 thousandths.
This is actually a part that we made for a company that does painting. And this is a very, very tough material. And we had to lathe it first, then we put it on a 4th axis, hold it onto here, and milled out this little window here.
Okay, this part is for the audio-visual industry. It's something that goes into the end of these large screens at colleges and auditoriums, and it helps pull the screen up. We would have done this part. It's out of aluminum, so we would have turned it. We would have gotten a blank, a round blank. Then we would have started turning it, facing it. Then we would have taken it to another operation, and we would have milled these deep pockets out, as you see.